So first of all, we have no security, which although it provides really high speed because you don't have to put all your data through security softwares and other processes, it's unsecure obviously because anyone can get access to a network and can view any of the data being sent on the network. So the next method is using a password, which is very easy to use and it prevents unauthorized access. However, entering a password obviously takes time, although that's not a big deal. And if your password is weak, anyone can get unauthorized access quite easily. Thirdly, we have installing an antivirus program on your device, which monitors your device activity and tries to stop any viruses from entering the system, or if there are any, picking them up. And however, it can slow down your device, and as I've experienced before, it can cause some serious frustration when you're trying to install programs and other things like that. Then we have using a software firewall. That can stop incoming and outgoing network traffic that you don't want, but again, it can cause frustration and slow down your network speed. Then we have turning off network connectivity, which limits access as people can't just access it remotely. They need to get physical access to your network to get access to the data being sent. Then we have make network not visible by using SSID to get access. Although this is good for limiting access to non-hackers, because people who are not so tech savvy might not know about SSID, so they won't check. However, if someone is really trying to get in, they can quite easily use a sniffer, a wireless sniffer, to find networks and then easily gain access to them. Then we can limit access with MAC addresses, which is extra security, but again can be sniffed out using a sniffer. And also it's hard to keep track of your MAC address list. Okay, next slide please. Then we have WP security. It is outdated, but the one advantage of it is it works with legacy systems. WPA and WPA2 security are currently the best options for wireless network security. And however, the only real problem that I can think of with them is that they slow down your network speed because obviously the data has to be encrypted and whatnot before it can be sent. Then we have wireless protected setup. Sorry, what's that? It's quite easy to use, and there's no need to know the SSID and security in the passphrase. However, it's new technology and only works only with WPS certified devices. Then we have preventing physical access. So if you've got a device that doesn't have a wireless network, then you need physical access devices or physical access security, so such as locked doors or access cards. And however, the problem with that is that you don't have a wireless network, so it's difficult to add new devices and connect. And then we have using router hardware firewall. This is the advantage of not slowing down your device because your device doesn't have to do the firewall. However, I can't really think of any issues with that. And then finally, using encryption software for sensitive information. This is very good if you want to send important information because it stops people from eavesdropping on your messages and getting your data. However, again, it can slow down the network transfer. Now I just want to talk about some ethical issues with network security. So let's take an example of when you're sending data about a patient or in a hospital. You might be sending sensitive information that, first of all, you don't want changed, because if you change something like someone's allergy if someone gets access and is able to change data such as their allergies or maybe do not resuscitate or something like that, that can be detrimental and cause some serious issues. So using network security is very important in areas like that, as well as banking and other areas like that.
Finished?